just wanted to understand from you in terms of the returns that you can expect on the benchmark index, the Nifty. What would it be after, this is the 9th consecutive year of gains for the markets. And of course, in the last 4-5 years, we've actually seen a bull run in its top form. Do you think this can continue? What kind of returns should be realistic to expect from the markets this time in 2025?
Uh, I'm expecting it to get peak numbers in the next year as more and more data-centric things point that India probably is on a much solid footing vis-a-vis what we have seen in the past. And I think, as you rightly pointed out, there have been so many IPOs that largely have raised money either for working capital or capex requirements or debt repayments, and most of the IPOs seem to suggest that they will have very strong growth. So I think across the board, we will have that culmination, the type of defense spending, the type of capex across railways, infra. I think that is all starting to yield. Even real estate is very bullish across the board. So I think that all this should play out very well for most companies, and that should translate into very good macro numbers as well. So next year, what we are expecting is anything between 20 to 25%. This has been a somber year, maybe not at the highs, but from a year-to-year point, year-to-date point, I think what are we, 8 to 10% higher. So I think next year probably you could be looking at a much better year with 20
Okay.
25% returns for funds.
Wow. Okay, that's perhaps one of the most bullish expectation that we've got. So thank you so much for lifting our spirits, Sharadji, with that outlook on the markets. And it's always a pleasure. It's been so far in 2024 to be interacting with you on various accounts. And we hope that in 2025 you come more often to give us all that wonderful insight that you always share with our viewers. Here's wishing you again a fantastic 2025.